Hello, guys. This is Social Trades once more. So yeah, yesterday it was like that type of day, right? We opened in London here 2 London low there. This is like within the range to 5 a.m. So that's like basically the range that we focus on trading London. So we go up in London, and then when at 7 when we open, we do a little nudge, and then we still go a little retracement, but we still go up, right? So we're doing the same thing that we did in London. We went up here in London. So when we open at 7, we go up. So I was not buying this. I won't lie, I was not. I was anticipating that at 9:30, was 9:30 there. I was anticipating that at 9:30, at least we're gonna have a nice, like even I was considering at 9:30 that we're gonna have a nice retracement, or this is a Judas swing to the upside. So it went up, and then let me go to 1 minute time frame, to the 1 minute time frame, because that's where I was like literally trading yesterday. So there we go. The open there, it rallied up. I was like, this is Judah swing. Then in here, I was looking for cells here. I was in a cell somewhere in here. It went with me, but didn't give away. And I was looking for, I was seeing this situation as a New York overnight run, right? It was an overnight run situation because we went up in London, and when we open in New York, we will go up. So an overnight run means, a movement overnight. That's what happened in London. We went up during London. And when we open at 7, we still do the same thing, we go up. So I was looking for at least 50% of that range. Check out that video from ICT overnight run. I also have some videos in there to explain more about that. So it did that, took me out. Even in here, I was like, we still can do it. Good, it didn't give. Then it went like this, right? It did this, something like this. And I think I left it from there. And then it did something like this. And I went again in the PM here. This is a review, guys, because I didn't want to buy because I wanted a discount price to buy. I'm bullish on Nasdaq. So, and here, which part? Hardly in here, I was selling, looking for, while I was selling here, initially, here, I was looking for the New York overnight run, New York stop run, I mean, here, this level. So the New York stop run, we look for the most energetic move after 10 a.m., right? So the most energetic move here after 10 a.m. is this one to the upside here. So this low here is what you target. I was targeting the most energetic run. I was targeting that. So I was I was selling here. Uh, wait, okay. In here, I was selling for more than for more because I was selling for something going the lower, right? But it turned here. So when it said PM, then I was looking for this very level in the PM. So hence I was selling it here, looking for that very level there. It didn't give. It did something like this. My stop was like right here, like didn't want to give, right? No problem, just kept going higher. And then at 5, it closed here. 6, open there. That's new day low and new day high. You always mark these levels, guys. That, and here now we have Asian sell side here, resting there, currently right there. And then the buy side is there. So if you go up, take the buy side, the sell side is here. So even today, I still want to buy the NASDAQ. I won't lie. I want to buy it. But I'd like to see these levels here taken first. What if it keeps going high? It can keep going high. It can. Nothing stopping the NASDAQ from that. From just, but this is what I'd like to see taken out before any buy side, right? Before any going higher. Meaning here it can do this, take out this, no problem. But I'd like to see drop into this, right? I'd like to see that with enough juice, you can have the New York stop run at this level here, 27, 9, 13.4. Yeah, that. Then if it has still enough juice, you can have the regular trading. Let me do this. So that, no, I don't want to do that. I want this to disappear and this guy to disappear. Okay, yes. Regular trading hours, opening range gap here. High. And then it's 50%. It's like, let's see. Yeah, there's the 50% of it. Right. There we go. Yeah, this is half of the regular trading hours opening range gap. So we can even look for that. We can even look for that. If it have enough juice, it can do all of this. Take out these guys here, right? And then we can start to grow higher. But this, selling something up there into this, that's enough, right? And then the rest can, that's enough, can take major profits off. Let some run for this if they're gonna give it. And then they can give this. And if you zoom in here, you're gonna see something nice. This is like so smooth here, right? Right. Here, it's just too smooth. Let's just do this. There. Smooth level there. So wouldn't be surprised if it does something like this because this level is too smooth here. Initial sell side from yesterday here. Buy side was taken here. Initial buy side there. Yesterday was taken. So selling above there, we were initially gonna look for this level. But now we are way there, right? We are way up there. So the range that is the current trading range. From where we are, the most relevant range for sell side is here. Lunch, New York lunch sell side from yesterday and PM sell side from yesterday. All of these are like nice here. And then we have the New York stop run there. And then we can see if it wants to give these. If not, we're gonna find a nice long. If we can take all of this and reach this level here, I'm gonna take everything off here everything off, it can reach this level and turn right there and go higher. It can, yeah, it can revisit 20% TGIF here. It can revisit 20% TGIF from where it is currently. Mm. So that's what I'm looking for. Before any buys, I'd like to see this taken out. Yeah, this level here. I'd like to see these guys out before any buy side. So if it opens and goes higher like this, I'm gonna wait 930 and see if we're gonna see a Judas swing to the upside still, maybe. And then to go down into this. And if this is enough, it can just turn right there. But if it's not enough, it's gonna take the New York stop run, ta ta ta, go down like that, and eventually reach here. Reach 50% of this. The social trades. Don't say I didn't tell you. Right? I'm very bullish on the NASDAQ. Very bullish. Very, very bullish. But this here and this here is too nice. So let's see. Okay, so yeah, this is a nice level to look for before any buy. And I've showed you all potentials that it can reach, right? I showed you all the potentials that it can reach. Social trades, it's like they opened, they just kept pushing it higher, right? Higher, 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 higher. But that's no problem. We'll wait something like this to be taken out. And then let's go into 15 a bit. Let's go into 15. Okay. So some of these levels normally wouldn't appear on this 15-minute time frame, but okay. There we go. The PM session just went higher there. Okay. Let's make level there. Okay, interesting. Let's see the hour chart. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. We just it's new highs up there, right? No problem. Okay. We'll just anticipate those levels that I showed you, and that's that. And everything that's on this chart, well, some separate these things and put it on different charts. You can do that to keep it cleaner. But these levels here are critical. Okay, so now we're gonna wait until 7 and see what it does. Initial buy side is there for this one. Asian sell side, buy side. Its sell side is right there. Here. On top of New Day there. And then there's this PM sell side right there and large sell side resting there from yesterday. So those look sweet, right? They look sweet. They look sweet. I'd like to see this one also go. Once it does this, I'd like to see it go through this. Eventually take out this smooth level also. Can it give up to 50%? Can it give this level here? The pro block here. 1 hour pro block. Let's go into 1 hour. The 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay. Why is that not here? No matter. What do you see here? Okay, let's see. This other block going down. So it's high, it's there. It's 50%, it's there. So this could be the parent on the block. This the propulsion block, this one. This. So once we come on top of this, we should just rally. Okay, the social trends. No, not that. I just put a level there and just delete it. Okay, very bullish. Today's Wednesday. Ah, so let's just go. We're just gonna wait for it. So this is the Nasdaq. Anticipate these levels to go. This one too. If it wants to really give, we can have this level there. The social trades, trade with care.